Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! Of course, you know who I am. I'm Santa Claus, and this is my toy shop. And you probably thought it was in the North Pole, but you would be wrong. We actually come down to Virginia to build our toys. And you may not know this lovely lady standing next to me. I'm going to let her introduce herself. I've got to go drink some eggnog and eat some more cookies.
Hello, my name is Mrs. Claus and welcome to the workshop. We are so excited you could come and visit. We have been busy all year long making toys. I will be working with Santa in the next few weeks to clean things up after all of this big mess, and we will be transitioning this workshop back into the Wood and Shop Traditional Woodworking School in Earlysville, Virginia. We are excited to announce that the 2026 upcoming class schedule is now available on our website. Now, I'm sure you're looking for a last-minute gift and that perfect gift for that special someone. And what better gift than giving the gift of learning? There are plenty of classes to choose from, and we also have gift cards available if you're not quite sure what that loved one might want to take. So I am going to be announcing the next upcoming classes. Tom Calisto will be teaching a couple classes on making a dovetail saw and tenon saw. Ervin and Willie Ellis will be teaching a couple timber framing classes, one in the spring and one in the fall. Tom Calisto will also be teaching a class on how to build a Wharton Esherick three-legged stool. Joshua Farnsworth will be teaching an introduction to hand tool woodworking class, offered on a variety of dates. Jeremy Tritchler will be teaching a class on sharpening woodworking hand tools, and the next day he'll teach a one-day class on using handplanes. The Ellis brothers will be bringing back their class on building a traditional German shave horse. Mike Kundle will be teaching a class called Introduction to Green Woodworking. Tom Calisto will also be teaching a class on making a simple shaker end table. Don Williams will be teaching a class called Introduction to Historic Wood Finishing. Jeremy Tritchler will be teaching a class on making shaker oval boxes. He'll also be teaching a class on making hand tools for your shop. Dave Heller will be teaching a class on veneering for furniture makers. Don Williams will be teaching a class on historic parquetry. And we're excited to announce a few new classes. Jeremy Tritchler will be teaching students how to build a simple shaker wall cupboard. Tom Calisto will be teaching two new classes to help students become amazing at dovetailing. A cool class on making a compound dovetail tool tote, and another class on making dovetail memento boxes.